Hello friends, today I am taking you to the end of the earth. This beautiful travelogue of Tishani Doshi has been beautifully described by one of my students, Priyanka, who has explained the whole journey in her sweet and melodious voice. I hope you will enjoy it.
Tishani Doshi embarks on a trip to Antarctica as a part of a program called Students on Ice. This educational journey takes students from various parts of the world to the southernmost continent to understand climate change, environmental issues, and the history of Earth. The chapter begins with the narrator describing the long and exhausting journey from India to Antarctica, covering several time zones and landscapes. Upon arriving, she is struck by the stark, pristine beauty of the continent, its wide expanse, towering glaciers, and silence. As the story progresses, the narrator reflects on how Antarctica holds clues to the Earth's past, present, and future. It was once part of a subcontinent, which is also a supercontinent, called Gondwana, and its current state shows the dramatic shifts caused by natural and human-driven changes. The continent becomes a symbol of both Earth's ancient history and the ongoing environmental crisis. The narrator also emphasizes the importance of bringing young minds to such places. The program aims to instill in students a deeper appreciation of the planet and a sense of responsibility to protect it. She highlights how seeing the melting glaciers and fragile ecosystem firsthand can have a far more powerful impact than simply reading about them. In one of the most memorable parts, the group takes a brief excursion in zodiac boats, where they witness icebergs, seals, and penguins, offering a close encounter with wildlife and raw nature. In the end of the chapter, leaves the reader with a sense of awe and urgency. Through the narrator's journey, we come to realize the fragility of our planet and the need for immediate environmental action. Antarctica, as the narrator sees it, it's not just the end of the earth, but perhaps its beginning in terms of understanding life and survival. Save our planet. Thank you.